welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. It's been a while since I uploaded a video, but today's video is a little bit different. I am showing you another type of planning, and that is budget planning. And I created this new budget sheet. I think it'll be very useful for anyone who is, getting started or want to get into budgeting and saving. And this will be a great tool for that. And I will be still continue to show you guys how I use my stickers in my planner, and that'll be another time, another video. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this type of video. Yeah, let's get started. So here is the new budget sheet that I created. It's supposed to be designed to be very simple type of budget system, and you print it out and then write it all out. I find that that's a little bit easier for myself. I am a visual learner. I like to see colors and things writing down instead of using electronically. And I have used electronically to track my budget and spending and saving and so on, but then I think I fell off the wagon after like a few months and I haven't catch up for a long time. And I did invest into a new planner, and you guys will see that in next month, I believe. That's when I will receive the new planner and we will start using that, and then show you guys how I use it on this channel. As for right now, I did create a very simple sheet and it will be on my website. If you're interested, you can definitely download it, print it out. It's an overview of the budget for the month. You can use it for paycheck by paycheck, and this is sort of like this design for that. So on the top left is its budget month, time frame. So budget month, you write the month that you're planning to budget in. So for instance, for December, I want to budget for a month of December, so you write December. For timeline, you write down when do you receive your first paycheck to the next. So those are the time frame that you write in between. And then on the right, there's a long box here. I left it empty, which you can use it to write a motivation quotes or whatnot, or notes you can write in here. I plan on using it for more like a motivation quotes right down in this box, special goals and whatnot. And then on the left here, income section, pretty easy. It says income, budgeted, actual. Actually, I need to fix the spelling, but don't worry for now. But in the download, you will not see ED. So you write down your first paycheck, so it'll be paycheck 1, and then budget. Budget mean like almost like estimated amount that you think that it will. Once you receive the amount, you can write the actual amount in here. Total, will not add them all up. Fixed expenses, which is A. There is 3 columns. It's called category, budget, and actual. And fixed expense, things that your rent, your mortgage amount that do not change per month, and it'll be under fixed expense. And I write the budget, which I already kind of know what it will be, so I'll write the actual amount. And then underneath is variable expenses. This section is for expenses that variable expense can be like electricity, water bill, the things that you can control, which will vary, the amount each month. So for instance, for me, it would be like electricity. I could always turn off electricity and not use as much, and so the cost will vary for each month. And then as for like phone bill, that will be considered as fixed expense, so will not be under variable expense, so I'll just put it up in the fixed expense. And then you write the total amount. And then on the right here, budget, I designed where it says very simple, remain budget, income minus A minus B. So income is this section here. So for budget, I always write down the total of the budget. So I'll write it on the first spot, minus A, so the total of fixed expenses, minus B, so which is variable expense. So you write that total. And then after that, you write the total of remaining budget for the amount. So that is the amount that you can play around for the month of December, which I have set. And so for that means for that amount, you can use that and put towards sinking funds. So saving funds are things that another way of thinking is like saving amount, like a little section that's allocated some money towards a expense that you plan on doing in the future. For instance, maybe my sinking fund could be my moving expense, which I am moving end of this month. That could be one. Another sinking fund can be Christmas, Valentine's, birthday gifts, a computer, and anything that you think of that you will use in the future, that is like a saving kind of like account for that. So in the remain budget amount, you use that and then kind of throw in the different sinking funds, and that way in the future you have the money to spend on it. So that is the simplest thing that you can do for a budget. And at the bottom here for sinking funds, you have category, start, budget, spent, and so that's the sinking fund. At the bottom here is total. You write the total amount of start, budget, spent, and end. And at the bottom here is blank space. It allows you to write down your budget ideas, things that you need to write down. So this is space for that. So this is a part 1. I plan on creating a part 2 worksheet where you can use it to write down your debts, your pay off credit card, and so forth. So that'll be kind of useful for that part 2. That is coming soon, but right now it's for this sheet. It is up on my shop, my website. It'll be linked in the description. You can definitely check out. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any question, let me know, and don't forget to subscribe for more planning related videos, and I'll see you guys next one. Bye guys.